Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Rabiatul Adawiyah Binti Mohamad Hanafiah and my metric number is TA25005. Today I will present on the task that I have carried out throughout this project. First of all, for the project that we have carried out, we choose He&She Coffee Shop located at Pekan Campus. This project focused on improving product quality at He&She Cafe. The main objective of this project are to reduce defect in the product and to improve customer satisfaction. This project also highlights the importance of quality assurance and quality control in maintaining consistency, reducing defect and ensuring customer satisfaction. For my part in Mohamad, I conduct interviews with the staff at the cafe to gather important information about their product and current processes. During the interview, I asked the staff questions from our IQC checklist covering 5 main areas that incoming material inspection, in-process quality control during production, finished product inspection, packaging and labeling, and storage and handling. Among the questions I asked are about their menu, several methods to check if they follow SOP, problem they face and how they handle them. This helped me understand how He&She Cafe manage their product quality. Besides that, I also create the Gantt chart and milestone for our project. The purpose is to make sure the project runs smoothly and we can track our progress. Although there were some minor delays to the original text, the Gantt chart helped us adjust and stay on track. For Mom 2, my part is about quality assurance and quality control stations in He&She Cafe's process. First, let me explain the meaning. Quality assurance is activity done before production to prevent defect, while quality control is activities done during and after production to check and detect defects. Based on my observation, I identify 5 stations. For quality assurance, there are 2 stations. At ingredient preparation, staff check expired date and freshness. For example, for milk, they use farm fresh brand. Even if the milk is not expired yet, staff will test it first every time they open a new box before they proceed to serve customer. At machine function, staff check that all machines are working properly before the store open. Besides daily checking, they also perform scheduled servicing every 2 months to make sure the machines are always in good condition. For quality control, there are 3 stations. First, at the drink mixing station, staff measure syrup and yogurt quantity using the scope that has already been set by the company to ensure accuracy. Second, at the order counter, staff verify customer detail through receipt checking. And at the final serving station, staff check drink appearance and volume before serving. They use the same cup size that has been set by the company, so the quantity received by the customer is consistent and uniform every time. Next, for Mom 3, I already done section 7 that is final conclusion. First, the selected product is He&She Coffee Espresso and Specialty Yogurt Drink. We choose this because they have complex multi-ingredient assembly steps that are highly susceptible to variations in portioning and equipment performance. From the Pareto chart, the main defect is machine coffee breakdown, that D2, which accounted for 64% of total recorded failures. This is the critical defect. The probable root cause are a complete lack of regular machine maintenance, schedule and inconsistent measurement methods among staff members. For SPC interpretation, our baseline process calculations show X double bar equals 20.32 and R bar equals 3.0. This shows statistical control within limits, but the wide variations highlighted a clear need for improvement. For cost of quality, the highest category is internal failure cost, making up 41.14% or RM720. This was driven primarily by operational downtime and ingredient waste. Our recommended PDCA improvement is to introduce a mandatory morning machine calibration checklist alongside 10 standardized and color code measurement scope for drink assembly. The expected benefits to company and customer is this change are projected to cut operating defect by over 75%, reducing internal failure costs while improving product consistency and customer satisfaction. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.